Well, we're back.
He's back.
We're back, and I was just going to say that Chloe has entered the room, who is also another female with the same gene pattern. If you know what I mean, Darcy.
I do know.
Yeah.
You don't have to tell me.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
But you know, I'm not a very good Hagen right now because I lost something.
You, Hagen's.
I don't know where.
She lost her pickled figs.
No,
The
I
pickled
had them.
figs.
I thought I'll put these here.
Pickled
This is
figs.
a good
Wow, I've never heard of
spot
such a
for
thing.
these.
It'd be terrible to lose your pickled figs.
Maybe I did put them in.
Anyway, we'll find the pickled figs.
Uh-huh.
I was really excited for them. Ha!
Pickled figs.
Pickled figs. They're in the condiment shelf.
Pickled figs. Now, what are you going to do with those?
Serve them. Serve them with cheese and green.
Look at that elbow. She could open a jar.
Crisp.
Huh.
Really?
Gluten-free
Okay.
for my
Like,
sister.
like an appetizer or what?
That's so nice.
What?
Like an appetizer?
Yeah, it's snack time.
All right. All right.
It's the coconut oil.
It's the pre-eat. More.
There we go. Got it.
Yes, I use it for opening jars.
So what's going on with you, Rick? Have you been interviewed lately?
Yes, I was interviewed just the other day, matter of fact.
Really? Who interviewed you?
Me.
You interviewed
Yeah, I have a private collection.
a private collection.
Yeah, that I don't put on YouTube and I don't show to people.
That's good.
That's pretty private.
Yeah,
It just embarrasses other people.
that's
so do you
right.
embarrass yourself when you?
Yes, I did.
Really?
Yes, I do even. Yeah.
Oh.
It's hard to believe that I could embarrass myself, isn't it?
Yes.
Actually, I don't think that would be very hard.
You don't think it would be
No.
very hard. All right.
I haven't
You
seen
know,
Rick
give it.
embarrassed very often.
Rick, can you
Yeah.
take a picture of that mountain before it disappears?
Okay.
It's
Right
gonna
now?
disappear very soon.
I
Okay.
don't think it's going to be very good.
Well, we'll come back.